Hello everyone, welcome to Commerce Logic. Today we are going to discuss about objectives of financial management. So before going into objectives of financial management, now let us see about finance function. Now let us have discussion about finance function. So finance function is about an art and science of managing the money. So, art is nothing but obtaining the knowledge of managing the money, and science is application of knowledge relating to management of money. Then, next, the major areas of this finance function are financial services and managerial services. These two are the major areas which are very important, which we need to know. Now let us see about this financial services. What are financial services? And we all know that we cannot see and we cannot touch the service. So here the financial services is that kind of activity. So it is the design and delivery of advice relating to financial products to various kinds of individuals like business, government, banks, insurance companies, and other areas where financial advices are required. Financial service is nothing but it is a design relating to financial product. So it makes design relating to any financial product and investments, then it is going to advise to the various individuals whomsoever it required. The individuals include this business, government, banks, insurance and other areas. So this is about financial services in simple words. Next, managerial services. What are managerial services? Now let us see. They are concerned with the management of financial affairs of the business. That means this deals with financial affairs. That means it includes a profitability position as well as assets or liabilities position relating to the business. So business, what kind of business we will see now. That is mentioned here, that is it might be private business, it might be public business, it might be financial or non-financial, large scale or small scale, whether it is profit oriented or not for profit oriented organizations. There might be different organizations, but whatever the organization may be, the managerial services are required, because without management there is no activity will be going on in any kind of organization. So, managerial services include or it is concerned with the management of financial affairs, which includes the study of profitability position and financial position, that is business assets or liabilities. So together finance plus managerial services is called as financial management. Now let us see what is financial management in the next slide. Financial management. Just now we have studied about financial services and managerial services. Financial management is concerned with the duties of the financial managers in the business firm. So in simple words, financial management is concerned. It is concerned with the what financial managers does in the business firm. That means it studies the duties of the financial managers. That means financial management is in the hands of financial managers. That means These are the people who manages the financial affairs of the business, just like we have studied in the previous slide. Now let us see the objectives of the financial management. See here, there are basic objectives, operational objectives, other objectives. So based on these three objectives, the financial management depends. So the basic objectives are profit maximization, then wealth maximization. If you learn these two things, you could also be able to understand these operational objectives as well as other objectives. So studying these two things is very, very important. Now let's have a look on profit maximization. See, let's see about profit maximization. This is one of the major objectives of financial management. And we all know the main motive and motto of business is profit earning, which is an economic activity. So, why we should maximize profits? Because it measures the efficiency of a business enterprise. It shows the efficiency of a business enterprise. Then, obtaining profits is one of the major sources of finance, which is again responsible for the growth of a business. So, profits also serve as a protection against risk. It protects us from risk. It, it prevents us from risk. So profits will provide solution to many kinds of risk. For example, fall in prices. Then it also helps to face adverse conditions of the business like recession and depression. So therefore, profitability is essential for fulfilling social needs and also maximizes socio-economic welfare. So these are the important things in profit maximization. Now let us see about wealth maximization. It is also called as value maximization. So what is the use of this wealth maximization? This is next to profit maximization. This wealth maximization will view a long run survival and long term growth of the firm. So the main objective of wealth maximization is to develop wealth of the owner. That means shareholder. That is here it is mentioned supplier of loan capital, employees, creditors, and the society. These are all called as stakeholders. If the wealth of the shareholders of a company is increased, then wealth of these employees, creditors, and the society is ultimately will be maximized. So it serves the interest of the owners because owners are the persons who will develop their wealth. So owners are the persons who develop their wealth. So wealth maximization is another objective of financial management. So the goal of wealth maximization leads towards maximizing shareholders' utility or maximization of equity shareholders through increase in stock price per unit. See, if the shareholders' price increases, then uh, stock price per unit also is going to increase. So ultimately it leads to maximize wealth. So This is all about wealth maximization. These are the important points relating to wealth maximization. So now let us see about another objectives, that is operational objectives. First, we need to estimate what are the financial requirements in a business. We need to anticipate what are the financial requirements in a business. Then we have to analyze the sources and timely availability of funds. Then how we need to apply the funds. That means we have to analyze from where the funds are procuring and in what way we are spending the obtained funds. Then next, the safety of investment. We should also see about the safety of investments. In what kinds of investment activities we are making. That safety also we have to see. Next, financial controls. See, the financial manager will manage all financial advisors and financial services and managerial services he is going to provide, but within the limits where organization is prescribed to him. So financial control is nothing but it the business is in a control in allocation of funds. It have to allocate the funds in a limited manner in prescribed usage. By analyzing many factors, his financial manager will allocate the funds in a limited manner. So increasing profitability, that is profit maximization, we have already studied. Next, maximizing value. This is about wealth maximization we have studied. Growth of the firm. Increasing profitability and maximizing the value or wealth will ultimately lead to growth of the firm. Then next, other objectives. These are the various other objectives. In that first one, to serve the interest of the investors, owners and employees. Obviously, uh, it is a duty to protect the interest of the investors, owners and employees. Then social welfare, economic welfare and maintaining good relations with investors and lenders and employees is one of the important objectives. And next, to make timely payments of salaries, interest and tax. Without these things, there is no business organization exist. So along with basic objectives, that is profit maximization and wealth maximization, the other operational and other objectives are also very important. So it is very important to remember all these things. Therefore, these are the objectives of financial management. Thank you. If you like this topic, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.